this video. Another video from your JG favorite. Let's go, let's hit it. I got some PC news, not news, but PC information. How is the state of the PC world, the PC building, the price, the parts, and so on. So let's get into the video right away. Well, welcome back. But yes, the first thing we're gonna talk about is PC parts. Jonas, take it easy. I know. There's different manufacturers, there's different brands. Different brand is Nvidia, Intel, AMD, ASUS ROG, Gigabyte, ASUS, ASUS ROG, and so on. There's a lot. I could count for days. I could sell for days. But yes, they make different stuff. They make either GPUs, that stand for graphics card, GPU stands for processor, graphics card, motherboard, RAM, power supplies, and coolers, and cases, and what else. There's like many different brands. So it's confusing. Look on YouTube, look on the internet, or go with your guts. Then we come to the price. Yes, the price. Price right now is crazy gone. It's glad to see that every price is going down because it's make a better opportunity so people can upgrade or build a PC and get into it. But what have been going down? What have been decreasing in price? Going down in price. AMD's processor graphics cards has been going down, both old and the new series in both the processor area and the GPU area. Nvidia, there's been the newer series and the older series of graphics cards has also been going down. Glad to see that. Intel's processor has been going down. Intel's graphics card, I don't think been going down, but maybe they have. If I've not seen it, not yet, but it's glad to see if they have. Parts of the motherboard parts has been going down. DDR4, DDR5, coolers. There's like overall just so many different hardware and parts that's been going down, and it's very glad to see because it's so good to see after we got the corona and that stuff that we're now going towards a better looking future for PC building and PC hardware and upgradability and prices. And we come to PC parts. Yes, PC parts. I'm just gonna say about how fast the technology is improving, how rapidly fast we're coming up with new technology. Like we already have DLSS 3.0 on the Nvidia. We have SFR 2.0, like new AV1 encoder. Like there's so many different technology and new improvement we're getting right now that I will say user improvement is good, and it's amazing to see so much new stuff and hardware coming out. But it's so fast that it is very hard to future-proof it, but it's good to see. But it's kinda annoying when you can't future-proof your PC for 5 years because our technology is growing and improving so fast that it's literally impossible if you ask me. Yes, so yeah. We pretty much PC parts, yay. Improvement, yay. Technology improvement, right through the roof. Future-proofing, screw that, throw it to the side. Throw it in the trash can. Because our technology is moving so fast at the rate that future-proofing is very hard to do. Yes. Woo! Why did I do this video? Well, I was just wanting to ask myself and you out there, is it the time to build a PC now, upgrade a PC if you're looking at the state right now of the PC world, the hardware world? 100% I would recommend it, for God's sake. Price is going down because we're improving so much that you can get the most money out of your pocket, the most money out of your buck, your bang, your buck, your bang. So most money out of it. So 100% do it. I will recommend it. If you like this video, remember to subscribe, hit that notification button so you get a video and notification when I'm posting a new video. Yes, and comment down below what I could do better or what I should post a video about. Give me ideas, give me tips. And I'll see you all on the next video. JG Tech Boy is signing out.